Anyway, but like you said, so
who the
I think that's.
are you?
I'm sorry. Sorry, Your Honor.
You don't just leap up and start yelling. I don't care who you are.
well, I was just
Seriously?
You did say it was going to be a long day. I apologize, and here I am.
How'd you get here?
I got a ride.
Yeah, you did. Who'd you get a ride from? Come on back up to the podium.
I was told he was allowed to be here today. And
By who?
On their way here.
Who were you told that by?
By his family.
This is a problem. She's violated the...
I didn't realize I was violating.
This woman messed up by letting a man she wasn't allowed to see drive her to court. In the intro, you saw him suddenly jump in and start yelling from the back of the courtroom. That's exactly when everything fell apart. She was so close to being released with no problems, but Judge Simpson recognized him and realized he was the same person she was ordered to stay away from. Because he was right there, yelling for her, she could now face jail time for breaking her bond rules. All because she assumed no one would find out. What do you think about how Judge Simpson handled it? Let's watch.
There are two matters, and we would like to adjourn to look into a global resolution. There's a district court matter as well as the...
Which district court? So why are you telling me that?
We're adjourning for a global resolution, Your Honor.
But I don't have that other one.
You don't?
I only have the felony.
That is correct.
So why are you telling me about it?
So given the reason for the adjournment, we are...
No, I'll wait. This is going to be a long explanation.
Further negotiations is our reason for the request for adjournment.
I know, I see that on the form.
Okay.
So, all right. Chinaza.
Yes, sir.
All right. So when do you want this adjourned? So the other one is set.
Correct. And again, the January...
And the alleged victim, her husband, is at the Riker Road address.
That is correct, Your Honor.
anyway, but like you said, so
who the
I think that's...
are you?
I'm sorry. Sorry, Your Honor.
oh no.
You don't just leap up and start yelling. I don't care who you are.
Gotcha. Well, I was just
Seriously? Guess that's taken care of. Okay, so I guess my concern is that I do have the second one coming around, and they're located initially at the same address, but now not at the same address, but her address is temporary.
Correct.
And then I'm going to Home of New Vision.
Correct. That was the
What?
next thing. She is slated to enter Home of New Vision on December the 3rd, Your Honor.
Got it.
So that's where...
And that other.
Yes. So she's already gone through the admission, and the date that they have available for her is the 3rd. So she moves in on the 3rd from, the hotel she's currently staying in now.
Okay. So here's what I'm gonna do. I am gonna order a GPS. I'll order it with exclusion.
Before the court does that, Your Honor, I do apologize. You did say it was going to be a long day. I apologize, and here I am.
Go ahead.
I know that the complaining witness is here today. My understanding is that there was going to be a request from us that there be a no non-consensual contact order in place. I know that the people have their own position on that. The complaining witness is her husband. They have children in common. They've been married for quite some time now. There were some issues at bay that may have led to these particular situations. Ms. Shear is working on that, hence the hospitalization, the treatment that she received there, and now her admission or self-admission into Home of New Vision. She's very...
I can stop you. I'm gonna deny that request. I want to see how she's doing once you get in, how she's doing, because obviously there are, I'll just call them peripheral issues.
Okay.
So before I would let that happen, it's not to punish you or anything like that. Before I allow it to happen, I want to see where she gets in terms of that process.
Okay.
Okay, fair enough?
Yes, Your Honor.
I didn't care about you. I was talking to you. Oh, yeah, I wait for Mr. Now to be a caregiver. All right, so what I am gonna do though is I am gonna order a GPS tether with the exclusion zone being the Riker Road
So I will.
location tracking. Pardon?
So, okay.
She just wanted clarification that the GPS would prevent her from being able to go to Riker Road.
Right, and also we will have location tracking because she's gonna be going into
And treatment. Sure thing.
I have a question. Is it okay if I go a couple hours away? Because I was planning on visiting my family.
You're going to be in the Michigan though, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
She just wanted to know, she's traveling to visit her family, but it will still be within the state of Michigan. She just wanted to know if that was okay.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, the same period in the courthouse when we came together.
Yeah, so ma'am, how'd you get here?
I got a ride.
Yeah, you did. Who'd you get a ride from? Come on back up to the podium.
I got a ride from Kayla Miller.
Yeah. That's a
Because I
problem.
was told he was allowed to be here today.
Pardon?
I was told he was allowed to be here today. And
By
I had
who?
no other way here
Who were you told that by?
by his family. I'm in contact with his aunt.
She was literally moments away from being let go, and then everything completely collapsed. This hearing turned into total chaos. The man she was forbidden to be around sat right behind her, shouting like he was arguing at home instead of being in a courtroom. He even looked amused, like it was all a joke. She looked uncomfortable and guilty, so it didn't seem like an accident. Judge Simpson's reaction said it all. He was shocked. It's like she didn't take the rules seriously, especially when she openly said he drove her to court. She almost won, but ruined it at the very end. The judge tried to give her a chance, but you can't help someone who keeps ignoring instructions. I've seen many bad choices in court clips, but this one is near the top. Do you think she didn't understand the rule, or she thought she could slip past it? Instead of locking her up immediately, the judge pauses the case and lets her lawyer explain things. The lawyer says she misunderstood the rule, thought it was allowed, and is currently staying in a hotel, working full-time, and trying to enter a treatment program. She apologizes and asks to visit her family for a few days. The judge says he doesn't think she did it on purpose, but it still matters. He decides to give her another chance, but adds GPS tracking so the court can always check her location. He also warns her. If someone tells you something that doesn't sound right, call your lawyer first. She got a much lighter punishment than expected. Many people in her position would already be in jail. She seemed more confused than dangerous, and the judge noticed that. But still, the rule was very clear: stay away from him. Don't ride with him. Don't show up with him. She definitely got lucky. Do you think the judge was too forgiving or fair? Type Michigan if you're still reading.